Hej alle sammen, velkommen til den her video. I dag så skal vi lave en try not to laugh. Hvorfor siger jeg på det? Men jeg har vand i munden også. Jeg fortryder lidt, jeg har gjort det her, at jeg faktisk filmer lige nu. Men lad os bare hoppe ud i det. Hvorfor? Sådan der. Nå, vi er hjemme. Jeg skal huske at drikke noget vand.
Taking out the trash? Yeah. Not without a fucking jacket. You got work tomorrow. You're not.
Eso, mírenlo nada más. Ay, Dios.
Ay. You throw a ball. If you throw it like this, it goes really slow. But if you angle your fingers like this and then throw it.
Regarde mes nouvelles claquettes.
T'as vu ça là? Regarde ça. Les claquettes.
Oh, fuck det. Jeg griner. Et liv mister. Jeg kan lige sige, at jeg har 3 liv. Den er god. Pilgrim færdig. Og jeg har også selvfølgelig lidt her, så. Og jeg ligger lige over mit tastatur, så det ikke glemmer det.
Get.
Man, you know, you remind me of somebody.
Who?
You remind me of, I think, of Will Smith.
Maybe.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Are you a boyfriend and girlfriend? No. We're husband and wife.
You're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Oh, is he coming? Yeah, purple panda. Oh, there he is. Look, here's a panda. Hello, purple panda.
Time for a nice relaxing bath. Terry, what are you doing, man, eating plum tomatoes in the bath? You do not eat plum.
Mom!
The fuck? This go threw a motherfucking sausage at me.
I'm gonna bring the summer back. Look, the grass is out. No problem.
Oh, look how much snow there is.
Freaking snow.
Oh,
no way.
let's go!
No way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I got it.
You got it.
Good morning skating. Same what it's like. Contact. Defense number 25. Wow, doctor.
Let's say down. Down. Helen, tell her.
Oh my god, the joke. Oh my god. Jeg tror, at videoen er her. Hvis I gerne vil se mere af det her, så to sek. Ej, vent lidt. Så slutter vi den her video af for i dag. Og så bare til en anden gang. Så peace! Peace! Really? Greedy, motherfucker. Greedy. Jeg er rigtig greedy.